Hey everyone, Subin here. In this video, I'm introducing something we've been working on. We named it Lunogen. If you're familiar with OpenClaw, this is somewhat similar, but much faster, more resource efficient, and heavily optimized for token usage. And if you already used OpenClaw, you probably know some of the pain points. Like Lunogen is basically built to fix all this. At its core, Lunogen is not just a chatbot, it's a real AI agent, something that can actually do things for you. For example, it can manage your Shopify store through WhatsApp, or even help you to build web apps directly from WhatsApp. Sound interesting, right? It runs on your own cloud environment, so you have a full control over how it works, what it accesses, and how it behaves. And the best part is you can manage and interact with this AI agent directly through platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, or even a web chat widget. And even it can be embedded within your own app. So instead of just chatting with AI, you basically assigning tasks to an AI agent. It can execute the things on behalf. That is the core idea behind Lunogen. In this video, I will give you a quick tour in less than 10 minutes, just enough for you to understand how it works and start exploring the possibilities yourself. So let's get started. Now let's create a Lunogen account. You can do this within a minute. To do that, directly log on to lunogen.com and click on login with Google and then verify your OTP, and in less than a minute you will reach on this page. This is the wizard to set up the AI agent. There are two ways to do that. One is Lunogen credits and bring your own key. Lunogen credit means we manage credits through open routers, so you don't have to bring your own key here, but you have to pay directly from this platform. In this scenario, I will be choosing bring your own key. I really suggest you to use this feature because you can explore more features when you bring your own key, and then you can manage multiple providers at the same time. So in this case, I'm choosing Anthropic because that's the smartest model available right now. It's a bit expensive, but it's smarter. So now I enter my key here and then validate the key, and I'll be using Cloud Sonnet 4.6 and then click next. And then I'm choosing Pro for this demo. Next, and I'm choosing a pre-filled details as a tech expert. You can write your own prompt, give a personality to your own agent, and you can select autonomy level, read only, supervise if you want to provide approval for the sensitive actions, but I'm choosing full autonomy for now, and click next. And next is you have 3 channels available here: Telegram, WhatsApp, and Webhooks. Webhook is like a SDK widget you can embed it within your own web apps. It will work like a copilot. I will come to that later. For now, I'll be choosing WhatsApp. There are 2 ways to connect WhatsApp here. One is QR code and then the Cloud API. Cloud API is a WhatsApp official Cloud API. There are a bit formalities to do that, but for now, QR code is faster and easiest setup. So I chose QR code. And also I'm sharing my WhatsApp screen right here. To connect with the QR code, what I have to do is I have to click on the profile menu item here and then click on link devices and then click link device. Okay. Before that, just click deploy here. It will deploy the agent virtual machine in the cloud in less than 30 seconds. So now you can see the QR code to scan. To scan the QR code, open your WhatsApp and then now click on the link device. And then I'm selecting OK and then simply scan the QR code. So see, you're done. The account is live. You can go to the dashboard and see your agent is deployed there. Now let's quickly test whether the AI is connected and up and running. Simply click on this chat icon here. That will directly take you to the inbuilt chat feature. So here you can say hello and let's see if the agent is responding to that. Yes, it's successfully up and running here. We can see. Now let's try the same from the WhatsApp we connected. So I'm sharing my screen again here and I'm sending hello. Let's see if it responds. Yeah, it responded. And now I'm asking what's the time in Dubai now? Yes, it's responded with the correct time right now. Now let's add more tools and skill to this agent and let's see how this works. Then you will see the actual power of this one, okay? So to do that, go to the agents page. We can explore all the features here. Now let's explore the skills. The agent is pre-installed with many skills required for an agent such as shell, which means the agent can execute shell commands within an isolated environment. And it's packed with process manager, background runs, background status to see the status of the background runs, and the file tools, options to read the file, edit, etc., and the document tools, and then memory, the browser agents like browser web screenshot, HTTP calls, web search, scheduling options like web cron add, cron list, cron remove, and extra Git operations, and model routing. In case if model is down, it can route to some other models. And auth profiles, if you are configuring credentials, you can use auth profiles, which will securely handle the auth profiles, and still it will be accessible for the agents to use with shell or any tools. If you deploy multiple agents, there is options to delegate to multiple agents. Now, these are the basic tools packed with the agent, and this is the main configuration of this agent. So now it's provided by the credentials for the Anthropic Cloud Sonnet. This is the key. You can change it anytime. Now I'm going to enable voice transcription mode, which means I can chat with the agent via voice. So I'm choosing OpenAI, choosing the 4.0 model, and then providing the key for that, and then save. Also, I'm enabling audio generation, and I'm choosing 11 Labs for now, and 11 Labs multilingual version 2, and then I'm giving the 11 Labs key also. And again, now I'm adding image generation too, and I'm choosing the OpenAI key again, but you can bring your own Gemini key for Nano Banana Pro Extra. For now, I'm choosing OpenAI and OpenAI image 1.5, choosing the key, and then save. And then you have to restart the agent. It's a soft restart. Simply click on the soft restart, and then the changes will be reflected. Now let's continue chatting and see how it behaves with the features we added. So now I'm trying to create an image. Let's see. So the instruction here is create an artistic perspective image of a Dubai desert. Let's see what it creates. Okay, hey, that's create an image of Dubai artistic view. That was simple, right? Now I'm going to use my voice to give an instructions. Let's say, now create a song using 11 Labs. Let's see how it's going to respond to that. Now we have access to the 11 Labs API already as a tool, and we already provide the credentials. On it, let me create a beautiful song for you just using 11 Labs. It took few seconds. Let's see how the result is. Let's play the song which created.
Golden sand beneath my feet, the desert wind in the burning heat, stars above like diamonds shine.
Now I hope you understand the full potential of this platform. Now what we've done is just a sample use cases. Now, basically, you can connect any APIs, any MCP servers. You can even deploy multiple agents. You can even configure webhooks which listen to incoming webhooks, and then AI agents act upon receiving it. Also, you can even schedule recurring instructions so that the agent will do things based on the schedules, and it will inform you once it's finished. It's like a real employee sitting in the cloud, and you can access through WhatsApp. So I believe you are really excited to explore more about Lunogen. So feel free to log on to lunogen.com and sign up for an account, start exploring. And if you really would like to watch more videos, more use cases, make sure you have subscribed to this YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.